Wear OS 7 has rolled out for the last 3 Pixel watches, and this new update gives users a bunch of nice features, particularly if we talk about interface, notifications, and Gemini Intelligence. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The update is offering better battery life to go along with the Pixel Watch 4's fast charging capabilities. As announced during I/O 2026, the Wear OS 7 sports some Android 17 design tweaks and lays the groundwork for new Gemini Intelligence features with new glanceable design elements. Starting with the new Create My Widget function, it lets you build custom dashboards using natural language by Gemini Intelligence. It also introduces live updates that shows you information for things like game scores, workout progress, and food delivery arrival times. Another key feature is connected device control, where OS 7 now lets you control your earbuds or Google's Android XR smartglasses, which will drop later this year. Now, if you take a photo with those glasses, you can instantly review them on a Pixel Watch. You can also control what's playing on your headphones, home speakers, and other audio devices. Gemini is also letting you use natural language to reserve a spin class or make a restaurant order. Gemini's Neural Express design language is now on Wear OS 7 as well, giving you helpful suggestions based on your chat, Gmail, and search histories. Wear OS 7 is now rolling out to Pixel Watch 2, Pixel Watch 3, and Pixel Watch 4 owners, but there's no word yet on when it's coming to Samsung Galaxy Watches and other Wear OS devices. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.